I'm coming to you from the Dillon, Frisco, Silverthorne, Breckenridge area. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. Take a peek. I'm so excited to be hosting the Retreat Beauty in Bloom in Breckenridge. It's going to be July 21st to the 24th. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous out here, you guys. It doesn't matter what time of year you come here. It's absolutely stunning. If you've never been to Colorado, what a better reason. I mean, gosh, it's just God's beauty out here, you guys. It's so beautiful. We're gonna have 4 styled shoots out here, so epic scenery, gorgeous trees. It's just, I'm so excited, I cannot wait. I will be teaching you everything from my gear, client workflow. We'll do all my editing, Lightroom, Photoshop. We'll cover my marketing, SEO, a little bit of video editing, so you guys can put yourself above the rest with some more video promos. And IPS, you guys, is huge. If you're not doing IPS now, you need to be doing it. You could be double, triple, quadrupling your sales, you guys. I'm telling you, it's seriously something you need to learn. But yeah, I hope you guys join me because gosh, it's just so beautiful out here. And there's a 10-person hot tub at this place, so can you imagine that? That's gonna be fun too. Soaking in at the end of the night, love it. So anyways, come join me. It's gonna be a blast and I cannot wait. We just drove up to Breckenridge for the weekend and I went to go scope out the rental house and it's so cute. We're gonna do some aerial footage and I'll drive by